I'm just going to test my audio first. There might be some background noise because of a fan I have running and but some other things. Let's see. Uh-oh, my internet isn't doing too well. I'm trying to, okay, my live chat, my chat is working now. Let's see. Yep, just testing my audio. Yep, just testing my audio. Okay, you guys can listen to me clearly now. And I guess I should start the stream now. Welcome everybody to another episode of Coding with Yang. Today, we will be making a messaging website with React. Some of you who have watched last week's streams will be wondering at why I am not continuing my Rickroll website. And for those of you who have not watched last week's stream and probably have not watched any of my stream at all, the Rickroll website is something I've been working on for the last week. It's basically a coding project from the curriculum that I'm doing now. The reason that I'm not continuing with this because so my original intention was for me to do the web development on my streams, but it's just too slow. It's just simply too slow. So I could wait until Sunday. I finished it on Saturday, and on Sunday I did a Minecraft stream with my friend. And so let me show you guys. See, this is the website I've come up with. Yeah, the screen size, screen size adaptation thing isn't too good, but as you can see, it's a pretty nifty website. There's a copyright, there's a call to action, there's a quote, there's info cards, and there's a hero and a header. So pretty neat. So that's for all of you who've been wondering about my Rickroll project. For those of you who are not wondering, meanwhile, today we will be making the messaging site with React. And I've actually got some stuff set up here, but I think I'll start new. I think I'll start fresh because I have no idea what I just put in there. It was from last week, and I was stumbling through about 3 different tutorials at separate times, and I just really don't know what's the right step to do. But I do know the first step is to make React elements and then render them in an HTML file, and then I will use some fancy tricks in order to update my React elements with real-time data, so I display the real-time data, and then you can see what other people have written, and then you can upload your own text messages to the messaging site. So let's get started. Actually, I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna rename. I'm actually gonna delete this because I actually don't remember what I put in the testing folder, so I'm just gonna start a new. If I need to do testing later, I'll make a new testing folder. Meanwhile, let's call it a folder for Twitch stream. Alright, let's open it. Brand new, fresh VS Code folder. Let's make an index.html file, and let's make an index.js file, and then we make an app.js, and then we make a folder called components. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I'm actually not too clear on the purpose of the app.js file, so let's just check that. What is app.js for? It's built to serve makers of static single-page apps. This means that it keeps all page navigation within session of the web page, defining pages as DOM nodes that can be instantiated. Okay, I'm not talking about the library or framework here. I'm talking about like the file. I see a lot of people making files called app.js on their projects that involve React. So I want to know what's supposed to be in those files. Yes. Okay, app.js, yes. App post filter reports. in the index.js file. Let's see what people say about this. We pass a folder. Okay, this does not. This isn't related to what I'm doing. Well, let's just see the docs for this. Maybe it will give me some clues. And nobody's written anything in chat yet. You know what? I'm actually just going to write something in chat to spice it up. All right. You know what? I'm gonna go to that tutorial. Wait, where was that? Oh right, it's here. I actually downloaded files so I can access it when it's offline. Now, my goal is to make this thing by the end of this project. And oh wait. All the React stuff is from a different tutorial. Wait, maybe I should read through this first and then I should figure how you do things. But see, here are the React elements, right? You have a React element and then each message starts a new React element. Yeah, it's still useful to make React elements, but I think I'm just gonna read through this whole tutorial first. And then I'm going to start making my React elements, because you know it's better to do things with a sense of the big picture in mind. So let's see, he's going to front end React. There we go. Fits perfectly. So what is socket.io project setup? Yeah, I'm gonna do the project setup. Okay, we gotta make client server. Oh, okay, this is the wrong structure. Okay, you know what? Let's delete everything in here. We need to start fresh. We need to do what that guy did. What the Indian man on the internet did. Okay, we need to make folders called client and server. All right, beautiful. And now what? Install client dependencies. Use the terminal in the root of the project. Okay, terminal, new terminal. In VS Code, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+. Yep, I went to terminal and then new terminal. We will install React into our client directory. npx create React app client. All right, you know what? We're just gonna do it step by step, or should we? Why don't we just look through the whole thing? No, he has some CSS here. I can do that myself. And then he'll make the join room form. Oh, actually, this looks pretty simple. Yeah, I'm gonna do the setup and then we're gonna do this, because you know, seems like knowing the big picture or not knowing the big picture won't make much of a difference for how we do this. Okay, npx create React app client. Nice. Yes, in the client directory. Neat. Okay, it's taking a bit of time, but that's expected. Meanwhile, let's see what things we have to do after this. After React has installed, change directories into the client folder, install the following dependencies. Wait. But I thought I was already in the client directory. Oh, looks not. I'm still in the whole folder. So I'll just do cd client. 6 high severity vulnerabilities. It's fine. cd client. Oh hey, the guy thought of the same thing as I did. And then we do npm I react router dom socket.io -client. Some stuff is going on. Looks like it's working. Oh, nice. We've got Git set up. I've actually never seen that before. What's all these orange things doing? Looks like there's something wrong with my code. What's the bad orange thing? Where's the bad orange thing? Sheesh. The number of foldable regions is limited to a maximum of 5,000. Increased configuration. Wait. So does that mean like it's incomplete? But no, it looks like it ends pretty smoothly, right? Yeah. It's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. Alright. I actually don't understand what's happening here, so I'm feeling a little bit insecure, but it's fine. I'll fix that later. My motto is fine until it isn't. So let's go on with this thing. Socket.io client is a client version of Socket.io that allows us to emit events to a server. Yeah, so send text that's how you're gonna send your text message to the server, which will then display to everybody else, and then text everybody else text messages and then send them to you. Right. Okay, how to boot up the React app. Let's make sure everything is working by running the following command from the client directory. Am I in CD client? Yes, CD client and npm start. Yep, we got a neat little React app going, which is perfect. Learn React. Nice. Webpack will build a React app and serve it to localhost 3000. Basically, your local server. Neat. Let's now set up a HardDB database that we would use to permanently save messages sent by users. Okay, HardDB database. Oh, wait a minute. Decline. I don't like cookies. Wait. Didn't he have a link to something? Yep, create an account with HarperDB. Now, actually, I've got some secret things to review to you guys. I have actually looked through this tutorial before, and I have already made this database. Sorry if that kind of disappointed you. I know some of you guys were hoping for a live walk along, but let's be honest, I am not good enough at multitasking to both learn completely new things and to code at the same time, and to make good commentary at the same time. So I did some sort of a bit of prep, and I'm opening up this tab here so that I can get the sweet extra view. Still won't get me to affiliate levels though, because it's only 2 viewers. Dang it. Why? I have 21 followers. Not a single one of them has come. Too bad. Well, everybody starts. You gotta start somewhere. Yes. Okay. Select to make things easy. Select the cloud instance. You have got the free account set up. Let's just skip it and. All right, we're gonna build the join a room page. Beautiful. Our home page is going to end up looking like this. Well, my homepage would look like this in the beginning, but I'm gonna fix that real quick because I don't really like the UI he's going for here. User will enter username, select a chat room with a drop down. Oh, cool. Then click join room and the user will be taken to a chat room page. Okay, let's make this homepage. How to create the HTML format as styles. Right, so we open the source and we've got this whole array of files. Cool. We will add basic CS styling to our app using CSS modules. So create a new file. Source pages slash home. Okay, slash styles. Pages slash home, and make a new file. Slash styles dot module dot CSS. Wait, am I supposed to make index.js in here too? Because it shows index.js being in the same folder. What if I move this in here? What if I move index.js in here? Was it everything already? And okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do what he says. And even though there's an index.js here, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now until I find some problems, which I don't know how to solve. I just realized if I meet a single problem in this whole fat chunk, this huge tutorial which is incomprehensible to me, I will not be able to debug it because I have no idea of half of what's going on in here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna copy and paste. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, and now I'm supposed to make a new index.js file. Alright, why didn't you say that, huh? Could have saved a lot of confusion, Mr. Danny Adams. Oh, he's not Indian. Oh, what a surprise. That was a real surprise. Okay. Wait, why can't I? Okay, I can. Alright, paste. And what else? Oh yeah, we're not gonna need the terminal anymore, so just click the trash icon, and that terminal is history. Alright, and then client/source/app.js. What do we need to do here? Okay, just gonna copy and paste this. Let's now import this component to app.js. Yes. Oh yes, I remember how it's supposed to go now. You're supposed to create different React components in separate JavaScript files. And then you're supposed to import them all into app.js and make one single app component which will display all of the React components. And then you're supposed to make an index.js file for the index.html file which will link the app.js to which you import the app.js element into, and then you link the index.html into that. At least that's how I understand it. If any Indian programmers are among my audience and think and know that I'm saying something blatantly wrong, then please enlighten me. I really, really would appreciate it. I genuinely appreciate this kind of thing. Constructive criticism, yeah, I like constructive criticism. That's all I wanted to say. Not very articulate today. Alright, let's add some base styles to make our app look more presentable. Yeah, just gonna copy and paste everything. Okay, client/source/app.css. Ooh. Wow, I didn't know. I didn't know that npm style could just do all of this stuff for you. That's pretty neat. Save. Let's also add the style specific to our homepage component, styles.module.css. Alrighty, folks. Learning some tricks from Ben Shapiro here. You notice how he always says "alrighty, folks" every time he does an episode. If you didn't, you know now. Let's also make the join room button full width by adding a style attribute. Okay, we put this in index.js. Wait, where do we put this button thing? Button class name equals btn secondary. Oh, wait, what? Why is there already a button here? Oh, okay. So, right, I'm just going to paste this in place of this button. Yep, looks like I've made the correct choice. Our home page is now looking solid. Let's check index.html. Where is index.html? Wait, what's this? No. I do not know what just happened there. Oh god, let's just close this, okay? App.js, app.css. Wait a minute, no, Control Z. I do not know what's going on here, and I do not like what appears to be happening here. Okay, let's see if we can do a preview. Wait, why can't I do any preview? How do you preview this? Wait. Yeah, How do I see the home page? Wait. Let's go here. Yep. Oh. That doesn't look like a home page. Uh-oh. What's going on here? I'm getting very sussy. I'm getting suspicious vibes. No, I do not want to undo create pages at home. What is wrong with you, VS Code? Scandalous. Positively scandalous. Commit. Stage or changes commit directly? Sure, I guess. Cancel, cancel. I do not know how to use this get thing. Let's just leave it for later. Okay, I want to see preview the home page, but I do not know how to. Oh, no wonder there's only one view, because my tablet kind of lost internet connection. This is harder than expected, folks. This is harder than expected. I do not know if I'm doing anything. I can't even preview the home page that I apparently just made. Run. How do I preview this? No, see, I've got this page open and looks like it's not doing very well. I mean, I expect to find something like this when I go to localhost, but it's not, so what is happening? Wait a minute, I know they always do localhost 3000. What if I do localhost 2500? Nope. Okay, doesn't work. Alright, I'm kind of disturbed now because I don't know what's going on. And I want to know what's going on. And if I don't know what's going on, I cannot provide good content for my audience. And I obviously love my audience, and so I want to provide good, juicy content for them. This is not good. You guys don't want to see me getting confused about some little bit of code that most of you probably find absurdly simple. What is best to do in situations like this? You know what? I'm gonna go. Why don't I just make I just try to build it from scratch. Like, I sort of know how React works, so I could try to do the same thing as him, but like take out all of the stuff that I do not understand. What is this app test.js, index.js, logo.svg? What is this? Oh hey, what's this link? I'm curious. I'm kind of curious to see this link. Dang it, I do not want to keep scrolling to the back. Do not. Is it the React logo? Apparently it's not the React logo. Don't get it. What is happening? Well, folks, it's... You know what? Okay. Here's the situation. I don't know what I'm doing, and it does not look like I'm going to be knowing what I'm doing anytime soon. And nobody's watching me, so why don't I try to switch topics? I'm going to take some of my free time and try to build that homepage thing from the beginning, because I think I probably can do it. I mean, React, right? Connecting basic React components to HTML file should be simple, and that appears to be what the guy's doing, so I can just take out all of this stuff. But that's for later, because I don't know how to do that right now. I'm gonna do some research later, and mostly because I'm kind of getting tired of doing some hard mental work here. It's been all of my streams for last week, so last few months actually. So maybe I should switch topics. Yeah. You know what, folks? Why don't we stream something more lighthearted instead? Something easier, something that I can entertain people with. Because I feel like I'm just setting adrift worthless content into the deep void of Twitch right now. So, alright, you know what? I'm gonna end the stream and then I'm going to make a new stream and I'm gonna try to make some Minecraft content. Because, you know, that's pretty much the only game I own that doesn't require a massive amount of computer power and that I can commentate on. So, yeah. See you guys in a few minutes, a few seconds, actually.